वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Hello dear beautiful kiddos, how are you all today? Welcome to your English literature video classes. We are doing our revisions, right? And by now we have finished 5 lessons in the revisions. So 5 lessons were from your PA1 and term 1, isn't it? Now we are going to do lesson number 6 today. You must remember, आपको याद होगा कि हमने लेसन नंबर 6 कब किया था? इन PA2, राइट? एंड इसके क्वेश्चंस भी हमारे PA2 के पेपर्स में आए थे, isn't it? So now lesson number 6 is travel stories. Now do you remember what did we do in travel stories? कौन सी स्टोरी की थी हमने travel story में? We did the story of Gulliver, isn't it? Gulliver travels, whereby who was Gulliver? Gulliver was a common normal boy who with his friends went on a voyage. Now what is voyage? Adventurous journey in the sea, right? So he went with his friends to the voyage, and वहाँ पे his ship broke down and everybody got drowned, but somehow Gulliver swam to a place which was an island where all the people were very small. They were called Lilliputs, and the place was known as Lilliput Islands, and the small people, they were known as Lilliputians. So all were very much astonished, amused to see Gulliver. He was very big. So what did they do? They tied Gulliver and they climbed on Gulliver with a ladder. सीढ़ियों पे चढ़ के वो गुलिवर के ऊपर चढ़ गए एंड वो गुलिवर को देख रहे थे. फिर जब गुलिवर की आंखें खुली, गुलिवर वॉज वेरी अम्यूज्ड एंड ही रब्ड हिज आइज इन डिसबिलीफ. डिसबिलीफ इज डाउट. उसने बहुत अचंभे से सबको देखा कि ये क्या हो रहा है, सब मेरे ऊपर कैसे भाग रहे सब लोग, और ये इतने छोटे छोटे क्यों हैं, ट्रीज भी छोटे छोटे, लोग भी छोटे छोटे हैं. फिर उन लोगों ने क्या किया? दे टुक गुलिवर्स टू द किंग, टू द एम्परर. वहाँ पे द एम्परर सेड कि वी विल डू यू नो हार्म इफ़ यू प्रॉमिस कि यू विल इन रिटर्न डू अस नो हार्म. अगर आप हमें नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाओगे तो आई प्रॉमिस कि मेरे लोग और मैं आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुँचाऊँगा और ज़रूरत पड़ने पे आप हमारा हेल्प करोगे. सो गुलिवर सेड येस, ओके फाइन, आई अग्री. एंड देन वन डे द नेबरहुड किंग, मतलब पड़ोसी का जो राज्य है, नेबरहुड किंगडम, एंड द किंग्स नेम ब्लेफुस्कू, ही अटैक्ड Lilliputians. Then Gulliver helped the king and he saved them all, right? Okay. Now in this lesson, what was the phonics that we did? We did the double consonant. Do you remember? एक ही consonant को repeat किया जाए. What are consonants? Alphabets में A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. So A, E, I, O, U को छोड़ के जो भी letters होते हैं, they are known as consonants. So this is your homework for today, right? So today is 3rd March 21. कितना जल्दी टाइम निकल गया, नहीं? अभी अभी तो जनवरी स्टार्ट हुआ था, न्यू ईयर, एंड अभी मार्च भी आ गया. वाओ, 3 months, 3rd month स्टार्ट हो गया, isn't it? Okay, so now this is your homework. What you have to do is you have to write. Now how many lines are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Similarly सब में 7 7 है, isn't it? So you have to number all the lines and you have to write double consonant वाले words everywhere. This is double L. So what can be with double L? Double L say we have umbrella, we have peacefully, we have Jill, we have grill, right? So double L say there are so many words. Double S say we have so many words. Missed, kissed, right? This is double T. Double T say we have little, we have brittle, we have kettle. Then we have double P. Double P से now I know क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे numbers नहीं लिख रही हूँ तो आप numbers नहीं लिखोगे. I know my kids very well, so I have to write the numbers here also, isn't it? मैम ने नहीं लिखा है तो हम क्यों लिखें, right? So 7 words सब में आएंगे. This is double P. So apple, nipple, then triple, isn't it? Now this is double R. Double R say we there are so many words. Blur, then we have double R से और क्या होता है? Blair, blared, right? Then double D. Double D say we have middle, riddle, right? So you have to write it down as a homework. Now, question number B. B में, do you think the story of Gulliver is true? क्या लगता है आपको? Gulliver का वाला जो story है, क्या ये true है? No. The story of Gulliver is not true. It is an imaginary story. So the Gulliver का story is not true. It is an imaginary story. हम लोगों ने जो Gulliver Travels का जो writer है ना, he has wrote this story by his imagination, and the imaginary stories are known as fiction. So the story of Gulliver is a fiction story. Okay. Now question number 2. What happened to Gulliver's ship? क्या हुआ था Gulliver's ship को? Gulliver's ship was wrecked in a heavy storm in the sea, and everything, all the friends of Gulliver and all the friends of Gulliver got drowned in the sea. That drowned का मतलब डूब गए, सब लोग पानी में डूब गए, right? Okay. What were the masts made of? So for this, what were the masts made of? For this question, we have to recall the poem, isn't it? So, what is the poem? I saw a ship a-sailing on the sea, and oh, but it was laden with pretty things for thee. There were comfits in the cabin and apples in the hold. The sails were made of silk and the masts were all made of gold. So what were the masts made of? The masts were made of gold. The masts of the ship were made of gold. Right? Okay, now again let's read. First let's read the question. Who were the sailors and who was the captain? So we read again. The 24 sailors that stood between the decks were 24 white mice with chains about their necks. So 24 sailors, right? And see again here, 24 white mice. So who were the sailors? White mice were the sailors. And the captain was a duck with a packet on his back. And when the ship began to move, the captain said, "Quack, quack." So, who were the sailors and who was the captain? So we write here, "4 and 20 white mice were the sailors, and a duck was the captain of the ship." Right? Okay. Done? Chalo, let's move to next question. Now what we have to do here is write the antonyms of the word underlined. See, there are words underlined over here, right? Hard, far, lost, late, under, cold, shortest, warm, sad, slow. So what we have to do is इन सारे words के हमें antonyms लिखने हैं. Antonyms means opposite, right? For your help, I have given some words here in the boxes. Boxes में जो words है, there are opposites of the words given over here. So shall we start? Chalo, let's do it. My teacher gives hard homework. So what is the opposite of hard? Opposite of hard is easy, right? So we write easy here. Opposite of hard is easy. Now next. We live far from my grandmom. So far का क्या होगा? Far is दूर. So नज़दीक का क्या होगा? Close. We live, see, close, right? So we live far from my grandmom. So far का opposite will be close. नज़दीक. सी क्लोज दो होता है. अगर कहीं पे ओपन दिया है तो उसका भी क्लोज होता है, दैट मीन्स बंद. एंड कहीं पे फार दिया है वहाँ पे क्लोज दिया है, सो वो भी क्लोज होता है. बिकॉज कहते हैं ना, सिट क्लोज टू मी, मतलब मेरे पास बैठो. फार इज अवे एंड क्लोज इज नज़दीक. यू हैव लॉस्ट योर पेंसिल. सो ऑपोजिट ऑफ लॉस्ट इज फाउंड. सी, फाउंड इज गिवन ओवर हियर. So we write here F-O-U-N-D, found. Lost, found. School starts too late. Late का क्या होता है? Late मतलब देर से. So जल्दी का क्या होता है? Early, isn't? So early. E-A-R-L-Y, early. School starts too early. जल्दी start हो जाता है स्कूल. My dog can climb under the fence. Under का क्या होगा? Under मतलब नीचे. So ऊपर, ऊपर मतलब over, right? So under, over. over, over. Now next, I like a cold lunch. So cold है यहाँ पर. What is the opposite of cold? It is hot. Done? Chalo, next. Bob is the shortest boy in our class. Short का opposite is tall, है ना? So Bob is the shortest boy. So shortest का opposite will be tallest. 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 Today it will be warm outside. Warm is garam. So warm का opposite will be, either it can be cold or it can be chilly. Chilly means बहुत ज़्यादा कड़ाके का ठंड is chilly. जहाँ पे snowfall होता है ना, that area is called chilly region. So today it will be warm outside, chilly. Warm का opposite is chilly. Hot का cold होता है, warm का chilly होता है. So we write here chilly. कड़ाके की ठंड, कांपने वाली, shivering cold is called chilly. Sue is sad about the party. So sad का opposite is happy. See, it's happy over here. So we write happy. Now last one. I am slow at running the race. Slow का opposite is fast, isn't it? So see, fast is written over here. F-A-S-T, fast. Got it? Chalo, next. Exercise number D. Here what we have to do is, what kind of sentence? Read each sentence below. Write if it is a command, question, exclamation or a statement. You remember हमने ये lesson में किया था ना, command statement, question statement, exclamation and normal statement. So first वाले में यहाँ पे S लिखा हुआ है, प्लीज़ उसको करेक्ट कीजिए. LEAVE होगा. Leave for school, leaves for school नहीं होता है. So we write it correctly. यहाँ पे V के बाद E लगा दीजिए. Add E over here. Now, please clean your room before we leave for school. So please है ना. So what does please means? Please is a request, isn't it? So we write here. What kind of sentence is this? Request sentence. Okay. Now, may I please have an ice cream sundae after dinner? Again, this is wrong. AFTER. After dinner. May I please have an ice cream sundae after dinner? So what is this? This is question as well as this is request. क्योंकि यहाँ पे please भी है and may I लिखकर यहाँ पे question mark है. So we have to write both. This is question / request sentence. Right, so this is request sentence as well as question. दोनों है यहाँ पर. Now number 3, we won. Again, this is wrong. At. We won at candle selling contest. यहाँ पे exclamation mark है ना. So this is exclamation sentence. We write here exclamation sentence. Okay. Now next, this book about the gold rush is my favorite one to read. तो ये क्या हो रहा है? ये एक स्टेटमेंट है, मतलब एक जाहिर कर रहा है वो, राइट, एक अनाउंसमेंट कर रहा है. सो दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट. दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस. अपने बारे में बता रहा है वो, दैट दिस इज माई फेवरेट बुक टू रीड. स्टेटमेंट सेंटेंस. Now, number 5. Why did the television program end so early? This is wrong. This will be EARLY, early. Why did the television program end so early? So we write here, this is question mark, so this is a question sentence. वैसे भी यहाँ पे y से शुरू हो रहा है ना, तो y is a question. Now again there's a printing mistake over here. The sink is sorting to overflow. Overflow. FLOW. The stop. The sink is sorting to overflow. Right? So stop. This is command. Right? Command sentence. Now exclamation है, इसलिए exclamation sentence नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि exclamation sentence होने के लिए exclamation यहाँ लाना पड़ेगा. Okay? Now 7. Turn the lights off and go to bed. Turn the lights off and go to bed. So what is this? This is also command. Command sentence. Now, number 8. I like to eat apples dipped in peanut butter. So what is this? This is a statement. अपने बारे में बता रहा है. What do I like? I like to eat apples dipped in peanut butter. So this is statement sentence. I am making a statement about myself. Okay? Now 9. Is purple the best choice of color for your hair? See, question mark, and वैसे भी is purple, that is question से start हो रहा है. So this is question sentence. Okay? This is don't put YOUR, your hand on the stove when it is hot. So what is this? This is command sentence. Now I don't know why there is so much printing in this. See, this is the original one, and here there are no printing mistakes, so you can easily find it out, right? So आप यहाँ से देख लो, and don't worry, I'm going to send a PDF of the same so that you can make the necessary corrections of the spelling. Okay? Chalo. Now we are finished with lesson number 6, revision, and lesson number 7 we will be doing in the next class. Till then, take care, do your homework, finish your revision sheet, and enjoy your revisions. Bye bye.